Hello, I'm Richard and I'm talking to you from the Stuart Turner Training Centre here in Henley-on-Thames. The Stuart range of catalytic and catalytic magnetic water conditioners provide an effective solution to problems associated with limescale build-up in domestic, commercial and industrial applications. The catalytic water conditioner features a unique catalytic alloy core which treats the water as it passes over it, changing the composition of hard-scale forming calcite to a soft aragonite deposit which does not build up in pipes and appliances and can be easily wiped from taps and shower heads. Stuart water conditioners have been designed to prevent limescale throughout a domestic or small commercial property, including water outlets and appliances, with the added bonus that water remains drinkable straight from the tap. They are available in a range of sizes to meet the flow rate requirements of a property and can play an effective role in achieving compliance with Part L of the building regulations. Featuring a compact design, they are very easy to install in line with the incoming mains water supply, and that's it. Simple, cost effective, environmentally friendly and no additional running costs. The range also includes catalytic magnetic water conditioners which have been developed for commercial and industrial applications and combine the unique catalytic alloy core with an array of powerful magnets. Stuart water conditioners are the benchmark for performance, quality and reliability, are backed by an industry-leading 10-year guarantee and are fully supported by a highly professional pump assist after-sales service team.